For Robert Gregor, staying safe from HIV is something he's taken a step further than most, enrolling in a trial for a daily anti-HIV drug called pre-exposure prophylaxis, also known as PrEP.
When PrEP came out and or was, discovered, announced as a thing, I thought, oh, this is great. It definitely kind of was something that I was interested in. I wanted to, be a part of.
But for those around Australia that aren't enrolled in the trial, accessing the drug can be tricky, as it's currently not listed on the PBS. Before Gregor took PrEP, if a slip-up happened with a partner, that meant weeks of anxiety waiting for a clear test result.
There's this fear, and that's this fear that's been instilled, I think, in, generations of gay men ever since the AIDS epidemic of, that could be that one time that you slipped up. And it's horrifying. It's, it makes you sick in your stomach for days.
The Kirby Institute at the University of New South Wales is undertaking the trial that Gregor is enrolled in, along with around 4,000 other mostly gay men in New South Wales. Postdoctoral research fellow at Kirby, Bridget Hare, said PrEP has unique benefits.
What PrEP offers people that has not been offered before is a way for receptive sex partners in particular to protect themselves from HIV in a form that is actually separate from the sex act. Now, we know condoms are a fantastic form of HIV prevention as well, but there's a great range of how well people use them or not.
The company behind PrEP in Australia, called Gilead, originally made an application to the Pharmaceutical Benefits Access Scheme in 2016, which was rejected as the price was deemed too high. This time around, a generic brand is available and something medical professionals are hoping will pass.
My sense is that it's highly likely that PrEP is going to end up on the PBS so long as the generic company puts in a reasonable price. It's not my expectation that Gilead is going to put in a reasonable price. What we have seen from them is them putting in a very, very high price, which is well above the level of cost effectiveness and is, frankly, somewhat rapacious.
PrEP is set to be on the PBAC agenda in July, and if passed, due to the cost, it will soon after need to be debated by Cabinet.
This government has made numerous undertakings to accept any recommendation that comes from PBAC. And so, we have, ministerial buy-in saying that if PBAC says yes, if it says it's cost effective, Cabinet is not going to say no. So that's really good.
For Gregor, staying on PrEP is something he would like to continue with for now, and it's something that's helped relieve the fear around sex.
Yeah, it's definitely changed my psychology, I guess, or the way that I think about HIV and the fact that I'm just not scared of it anymore.
This is about making it safer to do what people are already doing.
If PrEP passes through PBAC and Cabinet, it's expected to be available sometime in 2018. Glen Moret, Philly News.